Sling another rooster tail.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Watch out.
He just got him a new 125 Honda F. This thing has thing will sling a good rooster tail and big grippy tires. Come do it again. Do it again. Hey, after this, I'm gonna go up to the tree and do it at that tree.
What, the salt?
Yeah, go right now.
Are you gonna walk up there?
He got him a new Honda 125F. It's nice. Okay. Do a rooster tail right here and I'll go up there.
Where? Right here?
Up there to the tree. Do one right here, then we'll go up to the tree.
Let me turn and give it one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that's it for today. See you in the next video.